Hi, I'm Chad, and you're watching Squarebody Stuff. How's everybody doing? We are still working on a little 339 stroker, 305 block, board 60 over, 3 3/4 inch stroke crank out of like a 400, 383. That's how I got 339. So anyways, that's kind of catches you up on what we're building here. I've been going through the whole build series and step by step, and this step is not really a step that I would normally take. This is just going to be a little fun little video of figuring out how valve lash affects total valve lift and total duration at the valve. This video is for the guys running solid lifter cams, whether it's flat tappet or roller. A solid lifter cam, you got to adjust with a little bit of lash. So I got everything set up on the exhaust valve here. Got it zeroed out, zero lash. Everything's where it should be. I'll go ahead and roll it over. See what our lift is at zero lash. It'd be 537 if I remember right. Yeah, right at 537. Okay. Alright, so now I want to check the duration at the valve at 50 thousandths lift. It'll be the same thing as we do if we check it at the lobe, but we're checking it at the valve. Run it over. And we get just at 50 thousandths. Okay. We're at 110 after. So now we're at about 8 or 9 after, 8.5. Yeah, we'll go 8. Alright, so I've been doodling down what we got. Our lobe duration, I checked before we done all this, was 244 degrees. And the lift is at 537. Our duration at 50 thousandths lift with zero lash is 259. So we've got more duration at the valve at 50 thousandths lift, and that's just because of the ratio of the rocker arm. Now let's set to 16 thousandths lash and see how that changes. Alright, we're set at 16 thousandths of lash. Crank it over, see what happens. Right now we're just looking for a total valve lift. And theoretically it should be about 16 thousandths less, and we're real close to it. Yeah, right at it. We're at 521. Alright, now let's check the duration at 50 thousandths lift at the valve. Alright, done the math, wrote it down. The lobe lift at 16 thousandths is 521. That is a 16 thousandths difference. No surprise there. Math is math. Let's see, yeah, 259 duration at 50 thousandths on the zero lash, and now we're down to 250 thousandths of duration at 50 thousandths with 16 thousandths lash. So we lost a little bit of duration there, but remember that's after 50 thousandths lift. But you're still losing that little bit of duration for the time it takes to make up that 16 thousandths at zero lift. So valve lash does affect your overall valve lift and overall valve duration. So that's something, you know, manufacturers have their set what they want, but you can kind of play around from there. I think there's some I know Motor Trend, Engine Masters did a whole dyno test on valve lash and how it affects horsepower. I suggest go watch that. It's a pretty cool one. There's probably more out there, I don't know, but I just wanted to show the mechanical part of how it changes stuff, and it might give you an idea of what you need to do on your build, or, you know, I don't know. This is just information. You can do with it what you want. Kind of fun to play around with this stuff and see what changes where and how it changes stuff. So I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you learned something. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that join button and become a member. You can donate a little fundulation to this project and to the channel. I appreciate that. And yeah, I think that's it. Till next time, y'all keep your square bodies rolling. We'll catch you later.